Happy Friday. And let me actually get a little bit more comfortable. You thought I was gonna do this video without my scarf on? Just because I washed my hair and found my comb don't mean I wasn't gonna do it without my scarf on. There we go. Welcome to the episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator. We're back with another video. And we're back with a pretty cool review. I'm getting ready to review something that I needed for quite a while. I am getting ready to say goodbye to something that was on its last leg anyway. But here we go. I bought a brand new Xbox 360 generic game controller. And I want to show you the previous one I've been using before I bought it. Now, the original price of the new controller was $11.83. So it's almost close to it was 7 cents away from being $12. Not even 7 cents. I think 17 cents away from being $12. Before I show you the new controller, this is the old controller that I've been using. Now, this is not a this is a wireless controller, and it does come with a wire, and I do believe I have the battery somewhere, but I probably threw it out of anger because it wasn't working. But this is the controller I was using before I bought this controller. I think this controller was probably maybe a bit expensive, like around maybe $20 to $30. But I do believe this does come with the Xbox 360 did come with the controller. It used to belong to my brother, so I don't know. I don't know if he bought it, but I don't know if it came with it, but it did come with the controller. This is what I've been using since I got the Xbox 360. That was back in, I'm gonna say 2013. Yeah. So I'm showing you that because I'm no longer going to use this. I'm going to be using this from now on. This is clean, you guys. Oh, it even smells clean. So this is the wired version of that controller. Same buttons, except the difference is the center. Now the center, they're actually the same size, which is really crazy. But the center, it doesn't have this X on it. But this is the same, it's the same one. You know what I mean? It's the same one. Now if I can just get that Xbox 360 tray fixed, I could really be on to something. You know what I'm saying? But this is the only difference. The only difference with this is the thumbs, not the thumbs, the directional control, and these right here. So the buttons are the same. It's just the center and the color changes of these right here. It's not so worn out. This is brand new, $11.83. Okay, and I needed a new one because this one, the last one that you just saw, the previous one I just put back, it was acting out of control. It was doing actions that I didn't perform on the controller. I want to actually do a live video on my main channel where I actually show you how I'm going to synchronize this bad boy. Now this is once again a wired controller, because I wasn't going to spend money on a wireless one that's more expensive than a wired one. So I'm going to use this one. I actually love the grip. It's just the same as my last controller. Love the gripping of it, and I definitely love these. These are clean, and it doesn't look used, because I like things brand new. The brand new stuff, I like things new and fresh, never been touched. You can actually definitely play this with Windows XP, and I do believe you can do this on Windows 10, but I'm going to just use it preferably for my Xbox 360. And if I do feel like it, I will probably use it for my Windows XP, which is the model that I have when I play Sim Tower and stuff like that. But yeah, man, this is actually pretty good. I actually love the grip. I love how it comes with the wire, so that way I don't have to worry about any battery components. I absolutely love the back. I would love to design this, but I don't want to mess up the interface of this entire controller. So I will give this maybe a 7 out of 10. The reason why I say 7 out of 10 is because I was expecting the grips to be a bit more defined as my old ones, but then again, there are no good thumb grips on that anyway. It was bare, so you can tell my brother has been definitely using that controller for a while. But other than that, that's the only con that I have. The pro is the fact that this is clean, you guys. Super duper clean. So I absolutely appreciate this. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video. Click the notification bell to be notified of all of my videos, including this one. This will be part of my damage review playlist. If you want to see more reviews that I did for clothes or makeup or wigs, check out the damage review playlist. And this will be considered as my recent review. So make sure you check it out. The other reviews prior to this one. But I will see you all next time. Bye. Have an amazing Friday and Labor Day weekend.